commentary. Yeah, you have to do a commentary, it's right.
Back in. Oh my God. Come on.
Huh? Yeah, he should have done an introduction, it's right, but
Oh, no, the music is on and it's going well now.
give a commentary.
Going well now. Come on, Glennis. Screw up your nuts there.
Mary needs a little bit of lube.
Come on, Mary, come through and never mind how.
Come on, Mary. We have been timed.
Your time, and this is for Victor now, you said on, what do you call it, tomorrow?
The hotline.
Come on, Mary, you're slowing up.
Hold on a minute, Elizabeth has trouble getting it in there. You might need to give it a little bit of a rub, Elizabeth.
Can't see the...
Rosemary, you're getting hard to get your hole there, are you? You're missing a hole. Interesting. Have you not two of them? There's two bolts and two holes shot.
Tell Alan to get away from
Don't worry.
Tell Alan to get away.
Talk till you have a hole. There's no
Alan!
2 minutes gone. 2 minutes gone.
Enda. Tell Alan to get away, because it's no good with the thing.
Alan, get your finger at her Rosemary's hole. Come on. Leave her alone.
She couldn't find the hole.
Well, leave her
You
alone.
have to
She'll
go away
line
from
up
it,
her
because
hole.
otherwise it's no good.
She got it before she ever heard of you.
Alan. Yeah.
Jack it up. Now go easy, Dennis.
Mary, there's no bother
Wait a
getting
minute.
Come on, Jack it up. That's it, Dennis. There, down now, Dennis. Screw it. Now, just give it a wee. Screw it tight. Screw it tight. And then give it a wee dip. There,
course,
oh, too much. There, down.
Mary doesn't give a shite now. She got the stand.
Hey. Can you help them at any stage?
Yeah, I'm helping them now in a minute. I have to help them now. I have to go
That's part
now.
of the thing. That's part of the thing.
Yeah, I have to go now. Go, Mary. Pull it up.
Enda, you're not giving much of a commentary. John Tansey, give a bit of a commentary there, will you? Huh? Say something.
No women are concerned if they say the wrong thing. Mind yourself there, Elizabeth.
Many minutes is it, Enda?
Win another bit.
Robert, Mary, Robert.
Oi, Elizabeth!
Think if there's a bit of cream between Annie and Screw.
4.5 minutes. Come on, Anna Marie. Go on, Anna Marie.
Imagine this